Welcome everyone. Today in this video we will discuss about the seepage pressure and seepage force. So I have considered a soil sample. This is the soil sample and the length of this soil sample is L, and at the both ends of this soil sample, suppose this is end A and this is end B, both ends पे piezometric heads available हैं. लेट्स जो ए एंड है इस पे पीजोमेट्रिक हेड है H1 एंड बी पॉइंट पे जो पीजोमेट्रिक हेड अवेलेबल है दैट इज H2 एंड हेयर H1 इज ग्रेटर देन H2. जो H1 हेड है वो H2 से बड़ा है. इफ देयर इज हेड डिफरेंस देन व्हाट विल हैपन? वाटर विल फ्लो. इफ द हेड डिफरेंस इज देयर देन water will flow. Now can you tell me that in which direction water is flowing? Yes, you can definitely say that water is flowing from left to right in this direction. Why? Because water always flow from higher head to lower head. So it means water is flowing from point A to point B. When water flow through the soil, it exerts a pressure on the soil solids. ये जो soil particles है इन पे water एक pressure लगाते हैं. That pressure is known as seepage pressure. And here the head difference is delta H. Delta H की वैल्यू क्या होगी? H1 minus H2. Now we can calculate seepage pressure. Seepage pressure is equals to available head into unit weight of water. So here available head is delta H. So delta H into unit weight of water is gamma W. एंड गामा डब्ल्यू की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 9.81 किलो न्यूटन पर मीटर क्यूब. सो दिस इज द सीपेज प्रेशर एंड वी नो दैट प्रेशर इज इक्वल्स टू फोर्स अपॉन एरिया. तो क्या हम यहाँ से सीपेज फोर्स को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं? यस, सीपेज फोर्स विल बी इक्वल टू सीपेज प्रेशर इनटू क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया. सो सीपेज फोर्स इक्वल्स टू seepage pressure into cross sectional area. Into cross sectional area. So put the values here. Seepage pressure is delta H into gamma W and cross sectional area. Here I considered that the cross sectional area of this soil sample is capital A. Cross sectional area is A. So cross sectional area is A. Now the length of this soil sample is L. So मैं यहाँ multiply कर रहा हूँ L से और L से ही divide भी कर रहा हूँ. Okay. तो क्या मैं इसको लिख सकता हूँ डेल्टा H अपॉन L into gamma W into area into length. So we know that delta H upon L, this is hydraulic gradient into gamma W into area into length. Area into length क्या होगा? Volume. So this is the seepage force. Now this seepage pressure is directly proportional to available head. The seepage pressure is directly proportional to available head. Here you can see this seepage pressure is directly proportional to available head. Now you can see here if this head is increased and this head is decreased, then what will happen? This delta H will be increased. So if the delta H is increased, more pressure will be exerted on the soil particles. It means the seepage pressure will be increase. जितना ज़्यादा ये head बढ़ेगा, जितना ज़्यादा ये available head यहाँ increase होगा, उतना ही seepage pressure भी increase करेगा. Thank you.